Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. Now let's get started with the analysis. At first, we'll be looking at the news we are having. So we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing. Now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of EURUSD, and what we see is that, as I had anticipated, the price moved into this FVG and we got a bearish response. So currently, we are at this zone where the price has went below the previous monthly high, and we are having this volume imbalance. So most likely, I'm anticipating that price can come down till the volume imbalance area. Now let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, there is nothing much clear, though we see the same structure of the monthly over here too. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that we are having this FVG and the price had responded from monthly. So the chances are high that this FVG will be disrespected by the market. And most likely we can see a response from this particular area of the monthly volume imbalance. Now let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hours, uh, the structure seems to be mitigated and almost no FVG in this area, and we can see that one of the FVG is already disrespected by the market, which was this one, this particular FVG. So we have already turned into bearish into the 4 hour, which is in alignment with the monthly levels. So we are moving into the downward side. Now the question is still where? So I'll be moving to 2 hours. So what we can see is that everything here is mitigated. Even this FVG is mitigated. This overall lows are uh, equal lows kind of a structure. So I don't see anything holding the price into the downward side. Though we are having this daily FVG, so I'm still reluctant to trade into the market because uh, the bias could be uh, won't be switching directly. It is going to accumulate, and most likely we are going to see some kind of a trap, and then the price is going to move into the downward side to take the buy side liquidity or the sell side liquidity. I'm a little confused about that, but all of the liquidities which is sitting right uh, below the structure, find that all of these. So I'm anticipating that we are going to take all of these liquidities, and then the price is going to show the move into the either side. Now let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hours, we see that everything here is mitigated and the price is moving into the downward side. Rather, we have also already taken the inside liquidity over this candle and moved into the downward side. So I'm not anticipating that price is going to move into the further high into the 4 hour. Now let's move to the 15 minutes. As we move into the 15 minutes, what we see is that the only area of mitigation is this PPR level over here, which has already been mitigated by the market. So the price had already fulfilled its uh, criteria and moved into the downward side. Currently, what do we have here is this particular level where the price had taken some kind of a liquidity. So I'm anticipating that most likely if we come down till this level, which is quite extreme, we can see a possible reaction into the upside direction, and then the price is going to make the bias more clear. So for today's bias, I am bearish into the market, but I'll still be waiting for a little more confirmation into the price because we are having this daily FVG, which could become one of the reasons from where the price can react into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see the today's trend. See you into the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.